The nurse is walking in nature. She is carrying a basket full of nuts.
The nurse sees a bird's nest in the tree.
Wow! A nest of a bird!
The nurse sits on her mat. A little squirrel comes to see the nuts.
Look at the squirrel! It wants nuts!
Oh dear! The little bird has fallen down.
Oh no!
The nurse uses a needle and a napkin. She makes a bandage for the little bird. The nurse and the little bird are so happy together.
Bye-bye!
Let's say the sound in nurse, nuts, nest, needle, napkin, nose. Nurse. Nurse. Nuts. Nuts. Nest. Nest. Needle. Needle. Napkin. Napkin. Nose. Nose.
Summit Books. Excellence in every word.